Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're traveling southbound on Interstate 95 in Nash County, North Carolina, starting at mile marker 136. We'll cover about 32 miles, passing through mostly rural areas without encountering any major cities. The landscape is largely forested, with occasional exits and numerous overpasses that aren't associated with any exits. At exit 127, the signage directs traffic to Airport and North Carolina Highway 97. This exit serves the Rocky Mount Wilson Regional Airport, located to the east of the interstate. The airport, identified by the IATA code of RWI, handles general aviation but currently offers no commercial or cargo airline service. The highway crosses into Wilson County. The county had a population of 78,784 as of the 2020 census. The county is known for its ties to auto racing history. Wilson Speedway, located at the county fairgrounds, hosted 12 NASCAR Cup Series races between 1951 and 1960. The half-mile dirt track operated from 1934 until its closure in 1989. At exit 121, the highway intersects with US Highway 264 alternate. Taking this exit leads east directly into the city of Wilson. At exit 119, Interstate 95 crosses US Highway 264's main line. This interchange also provides access to Interstate 795, which runs south towards Goldsboro. As of August 2023, there were no signs for Interstate 587 at this interchange, despite supposedly being signed in June of 2022. Interstate 587 follows the path of US 264 and I-795 east of this point, but the exit signage on I-95 had not yet been installed at the time of filming. Interstate 587 is intended to eventually connect with Interstate 87, another incomplete project in North Carolina. Interstate 87 is currently the shortest two-digit interstate in the system, stretching only 12.9 miles from Raleigh to Wendell. Also note Interstate 42, another future corridor, which exists in two disconnected segments totaling 31.5 miles. The map on the screen shows how these incomplete interstates relate to the I-95 corridor. At exit 116, we got off the interstate to fill up the tank and grab some coffee. We didn't check the tires during this stop, something that would come back to haunt us a little later on. We drive along the edge of the town of Kenly, located just east of the highway. Kenly, named after Atlantic Coast Line Railroad President John R. Kenly, had a population of 1,491 according to the 2020 census. We've also entered Johnston County, which had an estimated 241,955 residents as of 2023. Johnston County features several notable attractions, including the Ava Gardner Museum in Smithfield, which displays memorabilia from the life of the Hollywood actress who grew up in the area. The Tobacco Farm Life Museum in Kenly preserves the region's agricultural heritage with a restored farmstead, blacksmith shop, and one-room schoolhouse. Further south, the Bentonville Battlefield State Historic Site commemorates the largest Civil War battle fought in North Carolina. The video concludes at mile marker 104. Thanks for watching. Special thanks to our channel members whose names appear at the end of the video. If you'd like to support 504 Road Trips, memberships start at just $1 per month and provide early access to upcoming videos. Please remember to like, subscribe, share, and comment to help our channel grow, and we hope you'll join us for our next 504 Road Trip.